Hi friends, it's me, Camden here, and we're gonna unbox. My mom gave me this, so let's see what's inside of it. Whoa! Okay, get it out. There it is. It's what is this? A police costume for kids, and then there's like 12 pieces or whatever. That's cool. That's really cool.
Do you need a scissors or you can open it?
Probably is.
Maybe the scissors?
Yes,
Yes or no? Oh, yep. Okay, I'll do it.
Yes, my mom's helping. Safety first. This is cool. It's like a police thing.
There you go. Unbox all the stuff. Show them what you got in the kit.
So, some police use these as like their little, what is it, like a gun handle or like
gun holder?
Yeah, gun holder, and this is the weapon. That's really cool. And there's the belt. One of these, the rubber and plastic kind of. And this is real metal. That's sick. So they got a belt. Oh, these are like these like staff things that they use.
A baton?
Yeah, they use that baton and they're like, hoppa, and everything. They just use that to just keep on guard and everything. And then, oh, handcuffs. This is what Sawyer likes to do to me. Put handcuffs on.
Is it plastic or are they metal?
No, they're plastic.
Okay.
With a key. And a whistle. Sawyer's gonna blow that. And then there's goggles for the police. Oh yeah, I gotta show you guys. There you go. There's the handcuffs. You can see a key.
Take them out.
And then there's a walkie-talkie. There's a walkie-talkie.
Yeah, see? They can see it.
Oh, it's plastic too. There's no batteries in these, so you just gotta imagine.
Pretend play.
Yes. And then this is the read for like a badge for them, and I'll have it like right there or like right there. That's really cool. I'll show you guys. And everything. And then the last but not least, the suit. Ooh! Oh my gosh, this is huge.
I got a 10-12.
Okay, 10-12. Okay, for a second it looked too big. I'm gonna wear this. I wonder what this is on. Oh, this is like the Sawyer pound on this button. Oh, there's a hat. There's a hat.
And it looks like pants.
Whoa, like what is it? Whoa, okay. For a second I thought it was like a sea hat, like those captains that wear those hats. But yeah, this is really cool. It's like I'm like literally the boss of the place.
You want to be a police officer, so there you go. Oh yeah, plastic, a whistle. Everything's all plastic. Oh, sunglasses.
Yeah. Are you sure I couldn't take this out? What? I can't take the tail.
What do you mean?
This button. And then we have pants. Double pants. Oh, it looks like a jail. It looks like jail pants, but just hood if it was just orange. That's cool.
Here.
Ooh. I'm gonna put it on. Oh. Oh, yeah. There you go.
And then it buttons up. It has 3 buttons.
3 buttons.
Got these nice patches on them.
Yeah. What does this one say? Police department?
Police department.
Yes. So I am the boss.
On the front it says police. This side says police department. On the back it says police.
Yeah.
There you go.
That's sick.
You like it?
Yeah. Oh, there's like one up and one down.
Oh, did I button it wrong? Oh, I missed one. There's 4 buttons. See, it happens.
Yeah. Oh, this thing says SWAT.
Okay, let's
It's
fix
like a little government thing.
Okay. If you don't want the top one, that's okay. I'll leave it.
Yeah.
I'll just do the bottom 3 for you.
There's tons of sizes, I think, for everybody.
Yes, there are additional sizes. I got 10-12 because I thought Sawyer could grow into it too instead of getting an 8-10.
Yes, now Sawyer has a SWAT one, and now I'm the police.
Does this open?
I
think it opens.
Wait, it does?
Oh, it does. SWAT, police, name, age, job title, height, body weight, gender, number. Just pretend. Do not put your stuff in there in case you lose it at the park, right?
Yes.
Okay, watch.
I'll just put my
at
name
this.
in there.
No. You just like leave it like that.
Yeah.
Oh, you need to put your belt on, don't you? Because it doesn't have any clips to like hold all your stuff. But the gun case has a clip, so then you can put the belt on and then you put this on.
Yes.
I thought it might have holders for like your stuff. There you go.
Yeah. And this is really good and everything. Not metal, just plastic. Oh! It actually makes a noise. Huh! It has like a little trigger thing in there. So you can just press this trigger right here and then makes that noise. So let's see the handcuffs work. Like, so I think I tried this before. It should just come out like, when you push them out like that. Push them. What you gotta do is just push them through like that. And then there you go. You can take them out. And I think you can lock them too. Can you lock them? I think there's like a lock. Look. Oh yeah, there is a lock. There is a lock.
Hello.
But I don't think I have the key thing for it. Where's the key at?
You like it, Sawyer?
Oh, Sarah's going in. There's a whistle too. I'm not going too loud.
I thought you could put on your SWAT one and
Yeah, go put your SWAT one on.
you guys can share. Okay? What'd you say?
Alright, guys. Bye. Leave a like down below and everything and subscribe.